Let's check out the SureStay Hotel located by Phoenix Airport. This hotel cost $170 per night, including tax. And it was the cheapest as well as the closest option to the airport. I booked a room for 1 king bed, however I got one with 2 queen beds instead. My favorite feature of the hotel was that license plate poster, totally love it. A very unique feature was where they placed the microwave and the fridge. They had them facing the side, which I thought was kind of weird. And I haven't seen hotels do that before. The room did have a fairly large television and the desk was extremely functional. And then as we head towards the bathroom area, this was outside the bathroom. I do totally love this mirror. It was so bright, especially compared to the rest of the room. And then they had some hanger space available as well, but not a traditional closet, which is quite typical for airport hotels. And the actual bathroom had a shower and a tub combo. Let me know if you would stay here.